Hola, Spanish for beginners, the alphabet. In this beginner video, you'll get a sneak peek into what it's like to take a Spanish class. Let's begin by learning the letters, both uppercase and lowercase, along with how they sound. The Spanish alphabet has 27 letters, that's one more than English. It includes all the letters you know, plus one extra, the letter ñ. Let's go through each letter together with their Spanish pronunciation.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
As you can see, Spanish is phonetic. That means what you see is mostly what you say. This makes learning it a lot easier. Now that you've learned the Spanish alphabet, you're one step closer to speaking Spanish with confidence. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're ready to keep learning Spanish with us. Thanks for watching.